Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy really good. To begin, find a comfortable space with enough room to move freely. Wear shoes that allow for good grip and flexibility. Start by listening to the music and feeling the beat. This foundational step is crucial for mastering the rhythm and timing of the sturdy dance move. Practice these initial steps for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, let's dive into the footwork. The sturdy involves a distinct heel-toe movement. Begin by tapping your heel, then your toe, alternating feet. Focus on making these transitions fluid and precise. Imagine your feet are gliding across the floor, not stomping. Spend about 15 minutes practicing this footwork, gradually increasing your speed as you become more comfortable with the motion. Once your footwork feels natural, it's time to add arm movements. Your arms should complement your footwork, not distract from it. Try gentle swings or subtle pumps that match the beat. The goal is to create a continuous, flowing motion throughout your entire body. Practice integrating your arms for 10 to 15 minutes, aiming for a smooth, rhythmic expression that feels natural and energetic. Consistent practice is key to mastering the sturdy. Dedicate at least 20 minutes daily to refine your moves. Don't be afraid to experiment with different music and tempos. As you gain confidence, you'll naturally start to develop your own unique style and variations. Remember, the goal is to have fun and express yourself through movement. Keep practicing, and you'll be sturdy in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.